Hello ladies and gentlemen, it is my joy and honor to present to you the very first video of 2026. I've been so extremely busy with my elite group of traders, with my elite group of graduates. What you will witness here 10 minutes later at the time of the oil news is a very powerful reminder of Predictive Proprietary Alpha Fibonacci System, where intelligent traders seeing very clearly with a single glimpse. Institutional rally overextended and testing critical key break wall to the upside. For retail trader this morning before oil news, it represents a problem. This is where oil is right now before oil news on retail chart. We have no idea what oil numbers are, but we're very clear. Buyers fully in charge, retail chart extremely high. To the downside, intelligent trader understand it's all about bold pink line this morning. So price respecting this level, it will continue higher and test this level again. Overextended rally for retail trader represents a problem, which means only aggressive trades. Why? Because buyers are extremely high. If you're buying extremely high, you are very aggressive trader. Are we clear on that? So again, before oil news, I promise you, I will convert this chart to 1 minute so you see without any delays. Well before the news, intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader always prepared, knowing quite well if trader wants to buy or to sell. FOMC is later on today and we will review everything tomorrow, and I will tell you what to expect as we already discussed on S&P and Nasdaq, and we'll recap everything at the end of this video. So here we go. 10 minutes until oil news. I'm converting this chart to 1. We're very clear where buyers coming from, correct? And we are very clear. Overextended rally, testing this level and bouncing from here. So while we're waiting on oil news, let's take a look on other instruments and let's remember forever. Tesla is the most breathtaking and stunning chart as it reminds you, as I always encourage my students to back test. Here we go, let's go back by a year. Do you remember what played out a year ago? A year ago, Elon Musk and Trump are so lovey-dovey, but everyone knew it will not last, correct? So if I'm converting this chart to exactly a year ago, January 27th, 2025, intelligent trader knew Tesla sitting up for collapse, complete collapse. As bullish rally reached reversal zone, so no matter how much Trump parading Tesla in front of the White House, intelligent trader will not buy Tesla. Intelligent trader will short Tesla, and despite catastrophic Tesla earnings, intelligent trader knew to buy, not to short Tesla in the month of April. So here's Tesla, second week in April. Tariff war is on. War between Elon Musk and Trump is on. Tesla earnings catastrophic. Grandmothers burning their Teslas. It is shocking what's happening, but we remain bullish. Because Alpha Fibonacci rules tell us it's an intelligent thing to buy Tesla. Wow, is it possible Tesla reporting catastrophic earnings? Oh no, 20% drop in revenue. But Alpha Fibonacci system tells you, if trading on the news worked, everyone on this planet would be Bill Gates. It never does. But what works is your limitless brain that show you buy Tesla. 3 more earnings later, earnings are catastrophic, but Tesla more than doubled in value. So what are you seeing this morning before Tesla earnings? Voila, Tesla reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, correct? Tesla more than doubled in value, despite catastrophic earnings and catastrophic events between Trump and Musk. What does the intelligent trader understand this morning? This is lifeline on Tesla this morning. 400 level. Monitoring this level is absolutely critical key part. An Alpha Fibonacci trader knows what to do at this level. If this level is out, Tesla will go to free fall. How to trade this, you learn in the course. Tesla earnings, 8 hours from now. Oil earnings, 7 minutes from now. But if I bring to your attention US dollar in the meantime, how did you know to short US dollar? Because you applied exact same logic as on S&P, as on Nasdaq this morning, correct? And if I bring you back to US dollar, this was the shocking and stunning event. Here we go. Well before Trump took over White House, you knew to short, not to buy US dollar. Here is November 3rd, 2025. Let me go back to 2024, another year. This was stunning and catastrophic crash, correct? Us Americans who love traveling to Europe, identical strategy applies. If you're trading oil or US dollar or Tesla or crypto or silver or wheat or soy or Nasdaq or S&P, absolutely 100,000% is your choice. So this is identical level on US dollar in the months of December 2024. Bullish rally overextended, correct? But this is oil now on 1 minute chart in 5 minutes. So since we have 5 more minutes, let's wrap up before oil news, shall we? As again you knew, after this level to follow. And when you understand the power of this, you are shorting, not buying US dollar. Correct? So when US dollar in free fall, everything is so expensive for us Americans to travel to Europe. Ouch. Sell-off continues. Did we know or did we know? Of course. As buyers keep failing to continue higher. Again, identical level on US dollar, as you will witness next on oil. So since my students love trading crypto all over the world, and they bring in their children to the horse, and friends bring in their friends, let's go to Bitcoin, shall we? Is anyone surprised about the crash on Bitcoin? My goodness. Do not be. When you're using your limitless brain, you knew. Remember this level on oil next? 4 more minutes until oil news. Remember this level on oil next? It's all the same. But again, if I bring you back to this chart, as I always encourage you, when you start using your limitless brain, you can trade anything you choose. Any instrument, any time frame, any platform. Phenomenal opportunity to buy Bitcoin in the month of April. Just like Tesla, just like Apple, just like Nvidia. You're not crying yourself to sleep. You're not losing tons of money on Bitcoin. What you're using is your limitless brain with the power of proprietary predictive Alpha Fibonacci system, where you simply insert Fibonacci retracement levels on any crypto platform you choose, on any forex, any stock, any future you choose. Software is never ever a requirement. From 77,000, Bitcoin skyrocketed again to 120 and crashed again, as I always warn my crypto traders. You trading crypto, the swings will continue. Do not be surprised. Volatility will be extreme. So here's January 2026. Here we are on Bitcoin. Pay attention, please. Again, identical level in April on Bitcoin, correct? As playing out in front of you on oil. Identical levels on every instrument you choose. Phenomenal, stunning bullish rally on Nvidia. Nvidia also doubled in value just like Tesla. What played out during months of April was a bliss. What playing right now is overextended rally. You need to be prepared for the next extreme event. And that's the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system. And that's how intelligent trader trades. Buying the bottom, selling the top with proprietary predictive Alpha Fibonacci system. If children of my students can do this, if complete beginner students can do this, anyone can. And the chart on Euro tells you everything you need to know. My hometown is bumped, everyone is in shock, but few months later, Euro skyrockets. Middle East war playing out, but Euro skyrockets. Again and again and again. Correct? So here we are. Euro more than doubled, despite catastrophic wars in Europe. And that's the power of proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system. You make a personal decision on the instrument you want to trade. As you witnessed this morning on S&P, as you witnessed this morning on NASDAQ, now oil news is here. At any moment. We are very, very clear. Bullish rally overextended, correct? Oil news is extremely bullish. Huge undersupply on oil. Intelligent trader understands it's entirely in reverse. Then stock news. Undersupply is bullish, oversupply is bearish. What's happening on oil? Oil respecting the support, but stock extremely high. To the tick we knew. For retail trader, it's a problem. Intelligent trader understands buying here is a bliss. Buying here over extended rally is extremely high. Phenomenal bullish news. But only crawl is here. Pay attention to the numbers, please. This is 200% under supply on oil. We should have phenomenal vertical rally. But it does not exist. Why? Because bullish rally on oil already high. And we're testing institutional resistance. Correct? So when you start using your limitless brain and you understand the power of this, and you've been buying Tesla despite catastrophic news, and you understand Tesla selling off, and 400 level is key at the time of the earnings, and you understand the bullish rally on Euro despite catastrophic war and despite all the hype, how Bitcoin keeps crushing, you simply trade markets as intelligent strategic chess on any instrument, any time frame you choose. So ladies and gentlemen, this morning we have a FOMC 4 hours from now. Intelligent trader very clear on retail chart, market overbought. Intelligent trader very clear. Buyers remain fully in charge. On S&P 6800 is core institutional support. That's it. Despite all the tariff war, despite all the negativity that playing out, if you traded S&P with the Alpha Fibonacci system, you easily made at least, at the bare minimum, 1,000 points this year. Exact same thing on NASDAQ. 5 minutes this year. You do not have to day trade. It's complete misconception. I work with option traders, I work with hedge fund managers, I work with financial advisors, and of course, I work with day traders. Absolutely. You have 100,000% flexibility on what you want to trade. 100,000%, it is your choice. And that's the event on oil. We're stuck at the ball pink line, exact same level where Bitcoin's corrected from. There is no bullish rally. 200% undersupply. It's not vertical. Why? Because institutional rally extremely high, overextended. That's exactly the reason why my students understand this so well. So if you're serious about trading, you came to the right place, and always please send me the email or call +1 925 257 48. Please view my students' performance from all over the world and understand it's a family affair. When I see complete beginner trader coming to me in tears, hating being an attorney, Pablo right now is a dearest friend for life. He's not just day trading futures for prop firms, he's also trading stocks, he's trading forex, he's trading options, expanding multiple prop firm accounts and his own personal account. So those are the stories of traders from all over the world, which never, ever get sold. So when Terry called me, he was in tears. He hated being a trader. Right now, Terry is a prop firm trader. This is the words of students from all over the world. And the personal investment into each student I make for very personal reason, because I live and breathe what I do. And when my students bring into me their children, and when my students bring into me their husbands, their wives, their brothers to the course, that's exactly the reason. My students are my marketing superpower. So listen to how fathers and sons trading Alpha Fibonacci system. Listen how father and daughter trading Alpha Fibonacci system. Listen how beginner trader becomes prop firm trader. Listen how traders all over the world retiring trading Alpha Fibonacci system. I have multiple other podcasts to upload. The moment we can exhale, we will do so. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do. And that's the reason I continue developing my own systems. So when I wake up to incredible cards from my traders, very powerful words, no tricks, only treats, because of Fibonacci and your incredible vision. That's it, pure and simple. And when movie maker in London, making movie about Fibonacci Trading Institute, simply watch it on our YouTube channel. That's it. Zero marketing this month. It's a very first video. And there will be a lot less marketing because a lot more focus on my incredible students all over the world. So when William bought a course, private mentoring for his dear friend, this never, ever gets old. You make a personal decision on the instrument you trade, and when you choose the package on the website, if you are not on Ninja Trader, package 1 and 3 appropriate for you. If you are on Ninja Trader, package 2 and 4 appropriate for you. Private mentoring is always the most desirable option. Savings 8,000 plus. Group course, the most popular option. Saving 5,000 plus. That's it. Any questions, simply pick up the phone and call. I live and breathe what I do, and I promise you, if you make an effort, the sky's the limit, as proven by traders all over the world since 2011. From 12 to 84 plus year olds who are trading the system, not just in US, but more than 60 countries. On the instruments and platforms I never even heard of. Because when you're trading pure, the skies are the limit. Thank you, traders, so much for a phenomenal morning. Please be very careful with FOMC and Tesla's earnings. We agree? Correct? As we discussed, there is no bullish rally, is there? Intelligent trader knew why. Very clear. And selling pressure continues on Tesla because intelligent traders seeing with a single glimpse Bullish rally overextended and price stuck in reversal zone. And if you're trading Bitcoin, you know what to do. That's it. The sky's the limit with proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, so much. I'm off to continue developing my system and coaching beautiful Marsha in private mentoring this morning. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for spectacular morning. It's been recorded, will be posted on YouTube channel with the very first newsletter coming your way with this video. Have a joy-filled, healthy, happy, and abundant 2026. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Crawl continues on oil, nothing else.